Welcome to Reserve at Caballo Ranch, one of Village Builders' luxury gated communities located in the highly desired area of Leander. Situated about 2 miles from the 183A toll road and close to shopping, hospitals, and major employers, you'll see why Village Builders families live so extraordinarily well. Reserve at Caballo Ranch is the perfect place to make your home, with amenities such as a community park with a playground, a beautiful pavilion with picnic areas to gather with friends and family, as well as a relaxing pool with a large sun deck. And nearby, the Brushy Creek running trails, softball fields, and soccer fields are available for all to enjoy. As part of the Leander Independent School District, the elementary, middle, and high schools are all within a short drive of the community and also offer school bus transportation. Village Builders features the beautiful Province Collection at Reserve at Caballo Ranch, including the Concordia 2 Next Gen, the home within a home. A revolutionary new concept ideal for any dual living situation. It's like getting 2 homes for 1 payment. Our beautifully decorated Shelburne model is open daily for you to tour and meet one of our new home consultants. Over the years, Village Builders has established invaluable relationships with some of the most celebrated providers of luxury home features and upgrades. Our designs at Reserve at Caballo Ranch offer incredible homes that are equipped with energy-efficient technology. So whether you're wanting to upgrade or looking for a home that's built with everything you want and need, and it's in a great location, look no further. Village Builders and Reserve at Caballo Ranch have what you're looking for. To schedule your personal appointment with one of our new home consultants, or for more information about Reserve at Caballo Ranch or any of our Austin and Central Texas communities, call us at 512-596-7703 or visit villagebuilders.com.